Check out this 1978 Chevrolet Corvette. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are A31 power windows, UA1 heavy-duty battery, AU3 power door locks, C49 rear window defogger, UM2 AM/FM radio stereo with 8-track tape, ZX2 convenience group, included delay switch for dome headlight warning buzzer underhood light low fuel warning light interior courtesy lights color keyed floor mats intermittent windshield wipers and RH visor vanity mirror. L48 350ci, 200 horsepower engine, and D35 sport mirrors. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.